Hi dear student, the continuation chapter in the chemical kinetics, that is what molecularity of reactions. What is mean molecularity of a reaction? That is very important. So first I'll go for that definition. The molecularity of reactions. Well, the definition: the number of molecules. The number of molecules participated in the rate determining step, RDS, or slow step. Here, but simple is molecularity of reaction. The number of molecules participated in the rate determining step, RDS, rate determining step or slow step, is called molecularity of a reaction. You already e one other reaction. Our reaction, for example, 2HI dissociation is gives rise to what? H2 plus I2. H2 plus what? I2. Here the rate determining step. The number of molecules participated. How many number of molecules are participated? 2 molecules are. But reaction the yes molecule participate again. 2 molecules participate. Therefore, it is called as what? Bimolecular. This is what bimolecular reaction. So, the number of molecules participated in the reaction, but that reaction rate determining step or slow step. Very important. What is no? All students even confused ಆಗ್ತಾರ. Rate determining step and slow step and ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. For example, already we know that SN1 reaction. What is that SN1 reaction? For example, this is what tertiary butyl chloride. This tertiary butyl chloride undergo hydrolysis. In the first step, what happened? This tertiary butyl chloride is undergo ionization. It gives rise to tertiary butyl carbocation. This is what tertiary butyl carbocation formation. This is what a slow step. First step is slow step. Next ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? OH minus ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. OH minus ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ CS3, next one CS3 and OH is attached here. This is what a fast step. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತದ. ಈ ಸ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾಲ ಜಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತೇವಿ, ಸ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. Therefore, this is what unimolecular reaction is. So, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಏನಾರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು ಅದು ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಾಗಿನು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. And it is not zero and fractional ಮತ್ತು ಜೀರೋದಾಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? And this molecularity we are telling that it cannot be predicted. An example I will tell you. For example, this PCl5, it gives us to PCl3 plus Cl2. You see here number of molecules participated is only one molecule, right? It is therefore it is unimolecular reaction. Next, if 2HI gives rise to H2 plus I2, you see here there are 2 molecules are participated. Therefore, it is called as what? Bimolecular. Okay, this is what molecularity of a reaction is. Very simple. The number of molecules participated in the slow step or rate determining step of the reaction. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಜೀರೋನು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 2 marks. ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ difference between order of reactions and molecularity of a reaction is very important for 2 marks question. For 2 marks question, it's very important for you in your theory examination. What is the difference between order of reactions and molecularity of a reaction? Go for first one, order of a reaction. The sum of powers of concentrated terms involved in the rate equation. But molecularity, the number of molecules involved, the number of molecules participated in the slow step or rate determining step. You see here, definition itself one difference. What is order of reaction? The sum of powers of concentrated terms involved in the rate equation. For example, any reaction rate equation, for example, this is what rate equal to k into a to the power m and b to the power n. The order will be m plus n. This is what rate one order of the reaction definition. But molecularity means number of molecules involved in the slow step or rate determining step. If we see here 2HI gives rise to water, gives rise to H2 plus I2. Here it is bimolecular reaction because it involves 2 molecules in the rate determining step. This is what itself one difference. Next one, the order of reaction is given by experimentally. This is given by experimentally, but this molecularity is given by theoretically. This is given by theoretically. Order of reaction experimentally ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, but molecularity reaction theoretical calculation. Next one, the order of reaction may be zero or fractional, but it cannot be zero and fractional. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜೀರೋನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. It molecularity order of reaction may zero or fractional, but molecularity of reaction cannot be zero, cannot be fractional. And next we are going for the difference. The term order applied. The term order applied to the overall reaction. The term order applied to the overall reaction, but the molecularity, the term molecularity applied to the slow step. This is what a difference, very important. The order of reaction may notably the powers of the concentrated terms involved in the rate equation is called order of reaction. The number of molecules participated in the slow step is called as molecular temperature. The order of reaction can be calculated by experimentally, and molecularity can be calculated by theoretically. Next one, the order of reaction may zero or fractional, but molecular reaction cannot be zero, cannot be fractional. Next, the order of reaction, this is applied to the overall reaction, either slow step, fast step, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಬಟ್ molecularity reaction, the term molecularity applied to the only slow step. This is what the difference between order and molecularity. They are asking 2 marks question, very important. Please understand this concept. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Okay, if you have any doubts, please share and subscribe, and please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.